Okay, crisscross applesauce. Show me. Show me you're ready to learn. All right.
I like that monster.
Do y'all know his name?
No.
Yes, Sully. He's in Monsters Inc. So
I watched that
we're
movie.
getting ready to start learning to read in kindergarten, right? And in order to read, we have to put letter sounds together, okay?
I watched
So,
that movie.
oh, one more friend. Come on in, babe. So we're going to have Sully give us some sounds, and then we're going to try to figure out what he's saying. So pretend that Sully talks real slow, and we have to figure out what he's saying. Okay? So he's going to start off by saying color words. See if y'all can guess what he's saying. Ed.
Bread. Bread.
Yes. Ooh.
Blue.
Ink.
Pink.
Green.
Green.
Whoa, Sully, that's pretty good, huh? Okay, now we're going to do animals. Y'all ready? And I'm going to say them even slower. Well, Sully's going to say them even slower. You ready?
Cat.
Okay, let's try again. Dog.
Dog.
B. Air.
Bear.
Bear. Hey, no, we don't do that. Ouse.
Mouse.
Mouse. Randy was listening. I remember you weren't listening because you were crawling around. Crisscross applesauce, buddy. Ox.
Octopus.
Fox. Fox. It's kind of hard because you couldn't hear my F very good because of my mask. Ox. Fox. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do things we might like to eat. Y'all ready? Okay, here we go. Fruit.
Fruit.
Uh-huh. Pizza.
Pizza.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Yeah. Okay.
I can ask if a cookie.
All right. Now let's do a couple more, and I'm not going to tell you what category they're in. You're just going to have to try to figure it out. You ready? It. Sit. That word is sit. Let's try another one. Run. Let's do run again. Run. Okay. So that is blending sounds to make words, and we're doing it out loud right now. But pretty soon we're going to have the letters, and then you're going to be reading. Okay? So everybody clap for yourself. Give yourselves a great part.